Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to cut text in half in Photoshop. Let's begin. Create a new layer and select the text and type any text. I paste this already copy to this text. Okay. Then hold Control Align Middle. Select. You can select rectangle selection or example I use polygonal lasso tool. Okay. Click this corner. Okay, then create a layer mask. Then press Ctrl Z. Duplicate layer. Press Ctrl I. Click the move tool and move. So this cut text. Add a drop shadow. Hold Ctrl. Select two layer. Press Ctrl Z. Then add a drop shadow. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel. Like, comment, share.